what's up guys, this is Adam from 3dmodelsworld.com. Welcome to this new video that is not really a tutorial, but it's actually I've got some really good news for you guys and I want to share it with you. So we almost reached our 1000 subscribers on our 3D Models World YouTube channel. And for us it's a really big deal, and I want to sincerely thank you guys for your support and your engagement with us and for being a subscriber as well. By the way, if you're not still a subscriber for our YouTube channel, please subscribe. It's really easy, and also make sure to hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button, so this way you can get notified when I publish new tutorials and new videos. But today the reason I'm recording this video because as I mentioned, I want to celebrate with you guys this big milestone for us. So we will be doing a giveaway to you guys. It's our way to thank you and show our appreciation for you and all the support that you have given us. So the winners for this contest, we will have full access to the cinematic forest environment in Maya and Arnold. Of course, the full commercial version, so this way you can have all the assets for you, so you can use it for your own personal use or for your clients or whatever you see fit. If you want to enter this contest, please check the description in this video. You will find a link to enter the contest. You can enter from any part of the world. It's easy and real simple. There's no restrictions, so it's all good. It's our way again to say thank you and to help you guys to improve your skills and take it to the next level. You will find the links again in the description below, so check it out and click to enter the contest. I'll be announcing the winners on February 28th. We will have it public so you guys can see who won, and hopefully it will be you. So thank you again and have a wonderful day.